Monumental updates on the Iraqi dinar, exchange rates, court rulings, and economic shifts. Welcome back to Dinar Current channel. Today we bring you groundbreaking updates on the Iraqi dinar, exchange rates, and Iraq's economic future. Iraqi television broadcasts new exchange rates. In a major step forward, Iraqi state TV has started displaying updated exchange rates for the dinar. This signals that the country is on the verge of rolling out key financial reforms. The move reflects Baghdad's determination to build a stronger and more stable economic foundation. With rates now visible to the public, expectations are rising that Iraq is nearing its long-awaited monetary transformation. Federal court ruling reshapes legal authority. Another historic development came from Iraq's federal court, which issued a decisive ruling asserting its supreme constitutional authority. The court made it clear that its decisions are final and legally binding, eliminating uncertainties and reinforcing its role as the highest judicial body in Iraq. This ruling carries significant economic implications, as it clears legal obstacles that previously hindered Iraq's progress toward joining the global financial system. Court's impact on economic reform. By rejecting multiple appeals, the federal court has effectively smoothed the path for monetary reform. This legal certainty strengthens investor confidence and supports Iraq's entry into international financial markets. Prominent voices in the dinar investment community, such as Militia Man, describe this as the long-awaited breakthrough, potentially paving the way for a currency revaluation (RV). Banking system overhaul and global readiness. Insights from Frank 26's Contact, Firefly, reveal that Iraq recently faced technical hurdles during large-scale financial transactions. These challenges exposed weaknesses in the banking infrastructure. However, officials have now resolved these issues, placing banking reform at the center of Iraq's agenda. A robust, modern banking system is essential for handling international trade, investment flows, and currency exchanges, making it a cornerstone of Iraq's readiness for global integration. Contracts adjusted for the new rate. Walking Stick, another trusted source, reports that Iraqi contractors are already modifying agreements to match the anticipated exchange rate. The Central Bank of Iraq (CBI) is revising contracts nationwide and preparing to release official statements on introducing lower denomination notes. This will include educational materials to help citizens adapt to the new currency. A key sign of progress is the move away from US dollar dependency. Contracts are now being settled exclusively in dinars, reflecting renewed confidence in Iraq's national currency. Investor considerations, taxes and planning. Dinar investment specialist Guru Fu stresses the importance of tax planning for those expecting profits from the revaluation. Consulting tax professionals will be critical to protect gains and maximize returns once the RV occurs. Public frustrations and ongoing challenges. Despite progress, challenges remain. Protests have broken out in Baghdad due to delayed bank deposits, with citizens demanding quicker access to funds. These demonstrations highlight the urgency of building greater trust in Iraq's banking sector. Meanwhile, Parliament is preparing to present the national budget in the coming days, a development that could accelerate long-awaited economic reforms and further signal Iraq's financial transformation. Redemption centers prepared. Another well-known analyst, Bruce, confirms that currency redemption centers are fully staffed and operational. Exchange rates have reappeared on trading screens after a temporary pause, indicating that banks are preparing for upcoming changes. Some reports even suggest the possibility of special contract rates for investors, which could lead to major returns. The bigger picture, Iraq on the brink of change. Taken together, these updates point toward a monumental shift in Iraq's financial and economic outlook. With legal barriers removed, banking systems upgraded, and contracts revised to reflect a new dinar rate, Iraq is positioning itself for a new chapter in global integration. The fact that new exchange rates are being broadcast on television is a strong indicator that reforms are imminent. As Iraq takes these decisive steps, the long-anticipated revaluation of the Iraqi dinar appears closer than ever. The coming weeks could prove pivotal, not only for Iraq but also for investors worldwide. All signs suggest that Iraq is on the threshold of historic economic change.